Hey guys, TechRax here. So I got my iPhone 5 here. You can see it right there. It's currently jailbroken, and I also got a toaster here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the iPhone in that slot, toaster slot, and then I'm going to take this handle, it's plugged in, you can see, and push down, put it on bagel. Oh no, there you go. Let's put it on medium, and let's just watch it heat up. Let's put it a little higher. There you go. Okay, let's take it out now. Oh man, I think it's stuck. Alright, just a second guys. So here's the crispy hot iPhone 5. Sorry, actually got stuck literally right inside the toaster. And it's extremely hot right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk over to the freezer. We've got some ice. And go ahead and unlock it. Put that block of ice over it. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds or so. Let's go ahead and check how it's doing. Okay. Wow. Extremely wet. But, and cold. Whoa, what? Oh. I thought that was like notifications everywhere. Okay, so, yeah, still works perfectly fine. It's a strong iPhone. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out.